Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making method that is 100% passive. I'm going to show you different ways on how you can start making some money right away in 2020. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So before we get started, I just want to show you the plugin that we're going to be using, which is extremely cheap, guys, and it makes everything passive. So I'm going to show you how cool this actual plugin is and how cheap it is, guys. So it says right here, brand new software turns DFY unique content into 24/7 free traffic and generates us commissions in minutes. So it says your very own one-click business in a box. And I have tested this out, guys, and it is extremely easy to use. And I'm going to show you the inside of this actual plugin in a minute on my own website, guys. So it says autopilot free traffic in any niche, 100% newbie friendly, and I believe all of this right here that it's saying is true because I'm about to show you why. Now look at the price. Today is only $17, guys, $16.93. That I'm going to show you how you can actually get a discount on this actual plugin itself right now. But as you can see, as soon as I try to leave off of the page, this actually pops up. So it says right here, click here to claim your free special discount now. So if we just click on this button right here, guys, you're gonna get led to the same page, but look at the price. It went down to $14.93. So you just earned yourself a couple of dollars in savings with the same program that you would have bought just recently if you did not watch till this part of the video. So look how easy it is. There's only 3 steps in this process to actually start getting these actual articles done for you. So it says simply insert your keyword inside our stunning software. So step 3, it says relax as Content Press blast your content to hundreds of traffic sources, bringing you #1 rankings, free traffic, and sales, guys. I'm gonna show you inside of this right now, and there is a lot of upsells to this. I would highly recommend you guys spending the extra $30 to $40 on the actual Content Press Pro because it will make it 100% passive and it'll start uploading articles 24/7, guys, and you don't have to do nothing but just click on one button and it's just going to start to upload articles every single day for you and start getting you traffic. You can send this traffic to maybe like a YouTube channel that you have, or send this traffic to like an offer that you might want to sell them on, or anything, guys, and just capture their emails on top of that and sell your email list to other people that might be interested in a specific niche that you have created. So there's different methods that you can use with this one plugin, which is only $15. So as you can see, I'm in the back end of my actual website right here. So it's in Bluehost. You can see I have published 3 articles just yesterday. So it says 24 hours right here, and it already has 2 views, 2 views, and 3 views. So I'm going to show you how easy it is so you can start getting some passive income and start opening up your brain and using different methods to make money with this actual plugin. So let's say you barely started off with a brand new website, guys, and you have nothing on this website and you want to start to get some money from it. Well, there's different methods on how you can start getting money with this one plugin. So it's right here called Content Press. So as soon as you actually buy that software, they're going to send you a link that has the download plugin inside of it. So this is the plugin right here, guys. It says thanks for purchasing a copy of Content Press. So if we come down here, guys, you can see it says auto content creation. If we click on that, I'm going to show you inside of that right here. So it says select the category. So you can select the category of anything. Look at all of these different niches. Since I love money, since I love to talk about money, and all I've studied is about finances, which is money, is I'm just going to click on finance. So it's going to load up this page right here with all of these different topics inside of finance, guys. So we can just click on any of these that we want. So we can talk about bankruptcy, we can talk about credit, we can talk about debt relief, we can talk about estate plan trust, or anything, guys. So let's just go over here to like wealth building, or let's just go to finance, and we can just keep on clicking stuff so we can have more articles pop up. So let's just type in a keyword. Now this is like a general keyword, guys. It is not niched all the way down like money making apps. So let's just do online. and see what that provides for us. Now it says spin content. Now this spin content, if you have it on, I believe it's making it 100% unique, and where you can use it anywhere you want, guys. And if it's not online, I think it's like articles that are found in different places on Google. So let's just turn this on so we can get a unique actual article created for us, and within a couple of seconds we already have all of these articles that we can actually use on our own site. So it says how to get an early advance on your inheritance. It says what to expect when you see a qualified financial advisor, generate customer crowd and finances with merchant services. So you have different ways you can make money online right here, just telling you different stuff. It says save money, the easiest way to save money. So we can just click on some of these that we want to add on top of our blog or our article or our website, so you can generate customer crowd. So just choose stuff that is interesting to you, that you might think other people might want to watch or read. So it says online payment system for landlords, what are the advantages? So we can just click on that one as well, and as soon as we click on those, guys, just click on save results right here, and then just wait a couple of seconds or minutes, and then this will pop up right here where it says data is saved. Please go to import results tab. So let's click on import results. As you can see, online payment system for landlords, what are the advantages? So we haven't actually added that one to our actual website yet. So let's just click on add to post. So as soon as you click on add to post, guys, it's going to actually add it directly inside of our website, and it's going to be already there created for us, guys. So here it is. Here is the article. Let's go to visuals so you can see exactly how it looks, and I'll show you inside of my actual website itself. So this is a 100% unique blog article that has been created for you out of thin air. So as you can see right here, guys, it says online payment system for landlords, what are the advantages? So you can see this is on my website, on my blog, and it looks really nice, to be honest. It is a lengthy actual article that has been created for us within a couple of seconds, and we can have multiple articles every single day on our actual website and just start to grow our traffic and get traffic organically from Google search whenever somebody searches in these keywords, and we can just start getting some money from this. And you might be asking, Edward, how am I going to get some money from this if there's nothing there for me to make money off of? Well, the first way is actually having advertisements just like this one right here, guys, and getting money from ads. And as soon as you reach a certain threshold, you can actually start to put in Google ads on your actual blog posts and start getting Google ads on your actual websites, and then within those Google ads you're going to start making some Google advertisement money from that, and even having your own affiliate links inside of the actual article itself. And if you can find an article that has to do with something that you can get affiliate link for, let's say online payment system was a website that has an affiliate link or affiliate commissions of 50% every time somebody clicks on it and signs up for it, then you can actually go down here, look for wherever that actual word is at or that website, highlight it, put in your affiliate link in there so people can click on it, and then you can start to get those commissions whenever people come to this website organically and then start to purchase products and start to read about what this has to do with landlords and payment systems. And you're going to get money from advertisements, you're going to get money from affiliate links, and on top of that, guys, you can actually get their email addresses and send them offers to get more money that way as well. So there's different uses for this one plugin of $17 that you can start to make some money with right now, guys. So this is the easiest way I think you can start to make some money with websites if you don't feel like actually buying articles or buying blog posts and writing them out yourself. This one is going to be by far the easiest way. You just have to search through. You can have a website for every single niche you see here, and finances, and they even have search images, guys. So you can come in here and search for an image. You can search for a actual video and start to get some content on there as well. Go. So as I was saying, guys, they have this auto blogging system right here. You just click on it. You have to have the pro version, and you can just do the same thing we did right here on auto search. So you just search for the blog, the keyword, and it's going to auto generate blogs for you and start to upload them on your blog on your website 24/7, guys. You can even schedule posts as well with this one plugin. So this is a really decent plugin, guys, for only 17. Or so if you're interested in actually adding videos inside of your actual blog posts, you can even come down here and search for a video like this one. I just typed in money and Cardi B money official audio popped up. So you can have her video inside of your blog post. You can have Pink Floyd of money inside of your blog post. So there's different cool ways you can actually make money with this actual plugin itself, guys. So use that information to your advantage. Don't just go off of what I told you, guys. Expand your brain. Start to study and start to think about different ways you can make money with this one plugin. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.